In this video, we are going to see about Boyce Codd Normal Form. Boyce Codd Normal Form is a normal form used in database normalization. It is a stricter version of third normal form. A table is in Boyce Codd Normal Form if it satisfies the following two conditions. First one is the table should be in third normal form. The second one is for every functional dependency A to B, A must be a superkey. A superkey is a set of attributes that uniquely identify a row in a table. Let us see an example. Consider a college table with attributes student, course and teacher. Here student ID and course ID are candidate key. The functional dependencies are student and course determines teacher, and second functional dependency is teacher determines course. According to the rule, a teacher can only teach one course and course can be taught by multiple teachers. In this example, the functional dependency teacher determines course. It violates Boyce Codd Normal Form because teacher is a non-prime attribute determining the prime attribute. That is, course is part of the candidate key. When a table violates Boyce Codd Normal Form, it needs to be decomposed into multiple tables to satisfy Boyce Codd Normal Form. Here, let's see the decomposition rule. Split the original table into two tables, that is R1 and R2. R2 contain the attributes from the problematic functional dependency where a non-prime attribute determines the prime attribute. R1 contains the non-prime attributes from R2 that cause the violation and the remaining prime attributes from the original table. Let's apply the decomposition rule to our example. In the college table, the problematic functional dependency is teacher determines course. According to the decomposition rule, we split the table into two. First, we create a table with attributes teacher and course. Second, create a table with attributes to student and teacher. So, after decomposition, table R1 contains student and teacher and table R2 contains teacher and course. Thus, two tables now satisfies the Boyce Codd Normal Form. I hope you understand the concept of Boyce Codd Normal Form. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.